Yes! Very good naman. Ang galing-galing naman eh. Look at your, look at your earrings, oh.
Look at your earrings.
Oh, wow.
Very beautiful.
Pretty naman.
Parang you could show it. Good job.
Very good.
My 4-year-old baby.
Itik kita maayos, ha?
Huwag magulo ha. Hindi na masakit sa ate, no? It's okay na? Ready for na? Just a little bit. Yung ano na lang, panto sa pizza toothbrush.
Yes, ma'am. Middle first.
Go to you.
Yan, ma'am. 350, ma'am. Ano na siya? Beer na.
You're gonna have another guy including you like office.
There's ito. Pakilig po. Ayan po. Ito. Yan.
Meron na sa'yo pagyapang na sa mante.
First pilo ko?
Pwede naman, madam.
Marking. So pretty.
So pretty naman.
To Lola and Lola later. Don't say that. Wow. Atraso baby, ha? Okay. Hold her hand, hold her hand.
May promo kami, madam. 1 for 2 piercing na po yun siya. Plus any placement na po, may free din siya isang basic at saka isang upgraded na tightening.
No, it's okay. Brave naman ang
Tightening
baby
po,
ko.
madam. Pwede rin ganun yan. Hindi ko lang.
Oo, pakita sa kanya na lang lagi.
Okay.
Look, look, look. Dati mo ba?
Huwag ka magmumula pag na-feel na po pasok ko, ha?
Yes!
Good job. Ang galing naman.
Wow, so brave. So brave, so brave. So brave, so brave.
Ang galing naman ate. Very good naman si ate.
Don't touch it, my love. Pero touch it. It's okay.
Ito na.
Ano ba? Pabaya.
Ang galing-galing naman ni ate. Very good naman ni ate na yan.
Okay. It's okay.
Pwede po
Good.
siya.
Wow. Look at your,
Any
look at your
placement na po.
earrings, oh.
Look at your earrings.
Oh, wow. Very pretty.
Don't touch it, ate. Don't touch
Wala
it.
naman po.
It's okay. Very beautiful.
Pretty
You're very
naman
pretty.
ate.
Very beautiful, my love.
Last one na.
Last one. Last one. Parang you could show it to Atara. Atara Neva. We will show it to them. Good job.
Very good.
Very brave ang ating Gwenny. Yay! My 4-year-old baby. Yay!
Ay, 4-year-old pa lang siya. Ang galing.
Yan po, ma'am.
That's right. Very brave. Aww.
Galing mo naman.
Very brave ang Gwenny.
Last one na lang to, ha?
Very
Don't
brave.
cry, ate, ha?
How about that? Yeah. Liig na.
Inhale, exhale, ha?
Ate, balik ka pa, ate. Ay, sige po.
That's it. It's very quick. Huwag mahawakan na lang.
Hawakan na kasi di mo lang heaven, ha? Last one na lang to, last one.
This is last one. No touch.
Last one na.
No touch.
Para maano mo yung ano
Ay,
mo.
hindi pwede. I told you kanina, Gwenny. Last one, last one.
Look, ate, oh, dalawa person na.
Oh,
Wow.
Daddy will buy you toy. We're gonna get a toy.
Jay, tapos na.
Because of that, you'll get Barbie. Barbie.
Barbie siya.
Yan, ma'am, per yan.
Come on, we go to toy store. Go to toy store.
Sumakay ka na sa kotse.
Yung mga 350. Yes,